dear students, today we will discuss that our chapter 3rd in the earlier cities. So these days when we look around, we see tall, beautiful buildings and the architectures with the latest technologies all around. Even small houses are so well constructed with all the efficient and the comfortable modern amenities. We have to spectacle plan and township on all sides. But have you ever thought which city first emerged? What kind of town planning? And this video is introduction part in this chapter, okay? And how houses were constructed in those days. And well, our ancestors also had the marvelous sense of the architectures. They too had well planned housing facilities with all the civics amenities. It was noticed that the cities were built of big brick roadsides and drainage systems and multi-stored houses. Let's explore more about it. And the first civilization, the Indus Valley civilization, organized the fertile plain of the Indus River. You know that Indus, also Sindhu. In the 3rd and 4th millennium BC, it was best known by two cities, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. And this is Harappa and this is Mohenjo-daro. And the ancient civilization include urban centers such as Dolvira and the Kalibangara and Rupar and Rakhigari. In Lothal, modern days, India and Harappa and Mohenjo-daro in the modern days, Pakistan, as you know that, was the only cities with the deckyard facilities. The Indus Valley civilization include most of Pakistan, extending from the Baluchistan to Sindh and extending into the modern day Indian state of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab. Okay. So the discovery of Indus Valley civilization was the first recorded in 18th century by the British Army. Okay, disasters and James Lewis, an American engineer. In 1826, he noticed and presence of mountain ruin at the small town of Punjab called Harappa. Because Harappa was a first city found, sometimes any of city sites of discovered were called Harappa civilization. Okay, clear everyone? So this is your introduction video. And town planning are that the twin cities are Harappa and Mohenjo-daro were central of all activities. Harappa and Mohenjo-daro present day in Pakistan. The two cities are excavated. The first appeared to have the functioned as the twin capital of this civilization. Two cities were a mile square with the defensive outer wall and made up of baked bricks. Those bricks were so well made that they have lasted for the 1,000 years. The bricks were laid in an interlocking pattern to bring their grip strong and cadles and lower towns, and the lower towns were working men's quarters and inhabited by the common people, and these were for religious and the administrative purposes. It was thus a administrative and the religious naval center of cities. Indus Valley civilization. It was occupied by the member of ruling class. It contained the buildings made up of baked bricks. Okay, and Next part is our Mohenjo-daro Great Bath. Of the buildings so far discovered, the Great Bath in Citadels was the most striking skirting of the features. This was the line with bricks coated with the plasters and made watertight with a layer of the natural tars, and there were steps leading down to it from two sides, while there were rooms on all sides, as you can see in this picture shown. It was a tank with large public bath and the build on the highly scientific lines. These baths were generally used the religious bathing. Perhaps important people took a dip in this tank on the special occasions. And beautiful are the structures of this our discoveries that. So we will discuss that my next video. Goodbye.